You're going to love this cheesy stuffed shells with hearty meat sauce. It's one of the most popular recipes on my Busy Cooks website and frequently gets rave reviews from my readers. Like this and many more. Stick around and I'm going to show you a genius way to fill the pasta shells. Spoiler, you don't need to pre-cook the pasta. Yay! If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Let's get cooking. Hey, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Shanae and I'm going to show you how to cook the most delicious instant pot stuffed shells with meat sauce. First, we need to heat the instant pot on saute because we're going to brown the meat. And to do that, click on saute button on your pot and it should read hot. And then we'll add the oil. We'll heat the oil up and we'll add the brown meat into the pot with all the seasonings. And if you would like, you can use Italian sausage. In that case, you don't need to add any additional seasoning. Into the meat, we're going to add salt, garlic powder, and Italian seasoning. And saute until it's nice and brown. It usually takes about 10 minutes. And meanwhile, we're going to start on the filling. We'll take a big bowl and we'll mix ricotta cheese. We need half of this ricotta cheese. We need 1 pound of mozzarella cheese. Save a little bit, about 1 cup for the topping. And then we need Parmesan cheese, half a cup. 1 egg. If you are allergic to egg, you can use a little bit water to loosen the mixture up. Otherwise it will be too thick, too pipe to stuff the shell. Make sure to stir the meat every once in a while so that everything browns evenly. Here's a really easy way to fill the pasta. We'll take just regular Ziploc bag and put it in a big jar, like so. And then we'll put the filling inside the bag here. And now what we'll do is close the bag. And all we need to do is now to slip this in and then we'll pipe the pasta into the pasta, just like so. Let's go ahead and mix the meat. I see a little bit meat stuck on the bottom, so we're going to deglaze the pan. And I'll just add a little bit of water and stir it well. We don't want anything stuck on the bottom because it can cause a burn notice, which won't cook your pasta well. So make sure everything is really nicely deglaze. And last one. Takes less than 10 minutes to fill all these shells. And you don't need to cook the pasta, the best part. So now what we're gonna do is, the meat is already nicely cooked. I turned it off and level the meat evenly. And then we're going to put pasta shells all around it. So all the shells are in the pot over the meat and we're going to add the pasta sauce now. After this stage, we're not gonna mix anything, so keep that in mind. And here's what I like to do. I like to add my water in the jar and shake it really well so that you don't leave any of this delicious sauce in the jar. And gently pour over everything. Even everything out, and then we'll go ahead and set the pot for 8 minutes. Everything is in the pot now, and we're going to close the pot. Make sure the valve is on sealing, and then we'll set it for 8 minutes. It usually takes about 20-25 minutes to come to pressure, and then I will start the countdown. So to start, press pressure cook for 8 minutes and the pasta will be cooked perfectly al dente. So the time is up and I'm going to release the pressure right away so that we don't overcook the pasta. Be very careful. Carefully open the lid. Looking good. Now we'll sprinkle some remaining cheese on top and let it melt. It will look a little watery, but not to worry about it. It will absorb into pasta as it sits and cools slightly, and it will be super delicious. Cover it up and we'll wait for about 3 minutes and the cheese will be melted. So it's been a few minutes and I think cheese is melted. Ooh, yeah. Looks really delicious and smells amazing. So we'll go ahead and gently stir everything so that the meat on the bottom can come up. It's okay if some of the filling comes out of the shells because it will make the sauce creamier and more delicious. Look at this, you guys. This pull. Oh my goodness.